Good morning. Okay, as we said, okay, this is the New Holland stand. This is the New Holland combined harvester CR10. I'm not lying. CR10. This is the maize table. Okay, so I don't know how many rows does it take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. It's about 16 or 17 row table, and we're gonna go inside and explore how it looks. Okay, so this is the New Holland CR10 that we were talking about. So this is pretty simple. Okay, this is the steering wheel, the brakes, and then there's a button at the back here. Okay, so this is forward, reverse. This is your GPS systems. So your radio, it's pretty simple, and these are all the buttons, your lights. Come closer so they can see it. So this controls the table, and you've got your PTO shafts, your resting arm. So you've got everything here, your auto, everything shows you here. And then you've got a seat for another person. So straightforward, simple, easy to drive. So yeah. So there's the straw chopper at the back. Even has a nice reverse camera here. I don't know if you can see below the logo. So yeah, this thing is huge. Let's go on top. See how the grain bin and everything looks on top here. So this is the grain bin. I think it's like a 10-ton or 12-ton grain bin, I'm not sure. The auger, so I was telling you about. So yeah, beautiful New Holland stand.